In this clip, I'm going to show you how to configure Git to work with your CodeCommit repo. We're still here in the Service Console looking at the repo. On the top right, click on the Clone URL button. Now, the most common way of using Git is via HTTPS, not SSH, so we're going to click Clone HTTPS. And then up at the top, it gives us the repository URL, and it even copies it to the clipboard for us. Isn't that nice? All right, now I'm going to jump over to the command line. To work with a repository on your local machine, you need to clone the repository to a local directory. So to copy the contents of the repo to a local directory, we need to issue a git clone command followed by the URL of the repository, which again I have on the clipboard. Hit enter there, and it's going to clone it into the folder named sample app. Now Git is going to prompt you for your Git credentials. These are those credentials we generated in IAM and downloaded just a moment ago. So go ahead and open up that CSV file and put in those credentials. Now, if you're using Windows, the Windows Credential Manager will probably prompt you for the credentials. If you're using Linux or if you're using Windows and not using the Credential Manager, then you may just get prompted at the command line. Either way, go ahead and enter those credentials, and Git downloads the repository. Let's go ahead and change directories to the sample app directory and then do a directory listing. And there is our hello.txt file. Let's take a look at it. Cat hello.txt, and there's the file with the exclamation mark at the end. Nice. Okay, so that's how you download the repo. But what about adding files to the repo using Git? Let's tackle that next.